I'm going to show you how to make a door lock out of a dinner fork. Here's a fork that works really well. I purchased this one at a local flea market for 25 cents. Purchase a fork that has prongs that are between an 1.75 inches and 2 inches in length, such as this one. It is also helpful for the handle to taper like this. Take the fork and place it in the latch hole, and then take a permanent marker and mark a line down the prongs like that. This shows the depth of the latch hole. Put the fork in a vise in this manner. Notice the mark that we made on the prongs, and have it in the vise to where you can just see those marks about 1/8 of an inch out. You will now take a hammer and you will bend the prongs at that point at a 90-degree angle. Just like that. We will now go ahead and cut the handle off about right here. Here's the finished product. Basically, you have the handle here, and it needs to slide perfect in the slots. It's a little snug, and that's actually not bad. You can always take a grinder or a file and file the edges and the sides until it does fit perfectly in the slot. Here's how it works. Simply take the prongs of the fork and insert it into the latch hole, just like that. Now you will shut the door. Now you will insert the handle through the slot on the fork. This locks the door.